Wow, I've never seen so much sunshine.
Yeah, that's great.
Well, since we've got so much sunshine, why don't we spread it around?
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun,